Buckle up, Coralville. We're finishing first.
Hi, this is Scott Larson. I'm Assistant City Engineer for the City of Coralville, and I'm here to give the weekly update on the First Avenue project that extends from 6th Street to 9th Street. Last week, we implemented the northbound lane closure on First Avenue, and that has allowed the contractor to make progress on removing some of the existing pavement along the east back of curb line. Later this week or early next week, we expect the contractor to start placing temporary concrete paving that will be utilized by northbound traffic during the next phase of construction. Also this week, we closed the inner eastbound left turn lane on 5th Street to address some of the congestion issues we were seeing at that intersection, partially due to the northbound lane closure that was implemented last week. As always, we encourage everyone to sign up for construction and traffic updates at coralville.org/notify-me, or get project information in general at coralville.org/projects. Thank you.
See you next time. Until then, check coralville.org or follow us on Facebook for updates. Drive safely.